This is Dragon Ball Super FB10 by the single box random number 6. We have our Saiyans. And we have our die. Asking for 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I say 9? I did say 9. 8. And there is our 9 times. There is our 9 times. Send you guys to a table so we can get this printed. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta hit it with that Luigi from Super Mario. Oh yeah. Alright, got that printing. Holstering from what I heard and saw, it's like 2027, dude. Good luck, everybody. Let's find a 2-star. From what I remember and understood, it was 2027. Let's find some juice. There we got Vegeta. Oh, I thought that was a foil. Cells Kamehameha on the number 8. And Turtles on the number 2. Kakuja. We got Goku on the leader, number 1. Show the other side. Goku on number 7, and there is Son Gohan Future on the SR, number 9. You want that textured foil goodness. Oh, I should say the number, huh? That one is number 9. David Trang. David Trang. Krillin on number 6, and there's Son Gohan Childhood on number 5 on the rare. Let me sleeve this leader real quick. Spy Robot. Final Kamehameha on this 5. And there's Videl on a number 4, SR. That's for Boat Danny. Boo. Good. Mega Shenron on the number 9 for the rare, and Vegeta on the rare number 7. Anyone know how tall Vegeta is? How tall is he? There we got number 2 on the rare. SR of Son Goku. Beautiful. I always have to, like, with the SRs do that so you can see that textured foil, man. Battle's back. Hello, hello. And we've got number 1. Tommy C. Tan. Some kind of juice back there. There we got 0 in the rare. What? Hey yo, what are the odds of that happening? What are the odds of that happening? What the hell? What the hell? Mark the shark. Pulling a $350 card back to back like that? What the hell? What the hell? I'm very curious what the actual statistical likeliness of that happening is. That's nuts. There we've got Cell on the leader number 7. Thanks, Dragon Ball on the number 3, and SR of Son Goku. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's the first ult that we're hitting out of this box. The Son Goku was the number 2. That one was for David Trang. And we've got the Cell leader for the number 7 going out to David Trang. Two-star. We're looking for a 2-star. Android 18, number 4, and number 8 on the rare. Son Gohan in the future. Oh, the future. Final Kamehameha on the number 5. There, got Hercule on the number 1 on the SR. Number 1. There's Trunks, number 5, and Son Gohan, Adolescence Piccolo, number 7. Hot diggity damn. Said on Eve's going for even more on the Electronic Bay. Number 7 on the rare for Potara. Vegeta on the number 7. Oh, it's a rare. I thought it was an SR. Omega Shenron on the number 9 for the rare. And there's Son Gohan with Piccolo again on the rare number 7. There's number 7 on the rare. Piccolo on the number 7. Getting some cards here for the number 7. Who's got it? David Trang. Leader of Vegito on the number 5 for the leader. It's the cover of the pack on that artwork. Everyone on Earth on the number 4. Sales Kamehameha on the number 8 on the rare. Bum 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 bum. Trunks Future on the number 5. There's Android 18 on the number 4 on the rare. Whoa, some cool color back there. Loyal Shield on number 5. Oh man. I think we saw this one once. It is such a cool looking card, man. It is such a cool looking card. That is number 32, David Trang. Damn, like a $75 card? Like a $75 card? Damn! That's a sick one, man. That's a sick one. David Trang with the number 2 on the alt art. That's a sick one. Gosh, the foiling on these cards, man. Then we got number 1 on the rare and the Bojack. 17 and 18 on the number 2 for the SR. Said DBZ is definitely not my thing. Well, it's a good thing we're not on DBZ and we're on Dragon Ball Super. That was a joke. But look, the foiling, man. And it is all textured foil. I don't know if I've given you this whole spiel, David Trang, but it is Bandai. And a lot of the foil tech that Dragon Ball will get a lot of the foil tech before it makes its way to One Piece. That happens a lot. But they just nail the gold on these cards, man. They really just nail the, are you kidding me? Oh, that's so cool. Such a cool looking card. Son Goku on the number 2. I got an SR of Vegito. That's the number 0 on the SR going out to David Trang. That's a great reload. Try BGS, he says. I mean, anytime you got the cards printed in Japan. I'm trying to see if it says on the pack that they're printed. Yeah, made in Japan right there. Something very shiny back here. Super shiny. There we got Bojack on the leader. This one is for the number 3. Look at that, dude. Super shiny. Number 1 on the rare. And on the rare, parallel. We've seen this one before. Slug. That is on the number 1 for the rare parallel. Going out to Tommy C10. Shenron in the background. Better QC Japanese cards? Yeah, absolutely. The QC, like, even when they're printing the English cards, the QC is just... they do it a little different. They say, better foil, better QC. Pokemon's printed in the US, that's why. Pokemon is printed in the US. If you look at the if you get a Japanese SIR, or SAR is what they call it, and you compare it to an English SIR, the foiling on the Japanese card always is much better. They got number 2 on the rare, and Potara on the number 7. Especially like Sword and Shield era, it got like really obvious in Sword and Shield era. If you look at any of those alt arts for the VMAX cards, if you hold it, an English one next to a Japanese one, you will see it. Like the foiling is much, much, much better on the cards printed out in Japan. There we got number 1 on the Slug. And there's Zanya, number 8 on the SR. Like, I'm pretty sure a big reason why they can't go too crazy on a lot of the foiling for Pokemon is because whatever they do, the printing facilities, I think the ones in Europe are in Germany, if I remember right. I think it's a German printing facility over there that handles that. They have just whatever foiling they do, it needs to be replicated at different printers and facilities across the world. Not an easy thing to do, man. Son Goku on number 5 and number 3 on the Thanks Dragon Ball. Last pack. So we got some LPM here. We got Cell on number 2 on the rare. And my future number 3 on the rare. Again, don't shoot a shotgun the way she shoots one, dude. You will hurt yourself. Here comes our recap. We're gonna start with the leaders. We'll say the numbers as we see them. We have 3, 5, 7, 1, 6, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, and 9. We've got the Slug with the, I gotta point it out. I've noticed any of their alt arts, they do have the raised gold in some way or another on their cards. Which, if you've never, like, held a raised gold card in person and, like, felt the texture on it, it is good. Number 1 on the Slug. Son Goku on the number 2. Beautiful card. And then, of course, I mean, this one, all the, like, look at all that gold raised foil. Right there, you can see all of it. All the lines, that is all raised gold foil. It is beautiful, man. It is beautiful. Crazy hit from Mark the Shark. My God. That's crazy. That's crazy. That was Dragon Ball Super FB10 by Single Box Random number 6. 7 is in the store. Still need to see a dang 2-star.